to this is a case patient is having right sided facial nerve palsy as evidenced by absence of wrinkling. There is wrinkling. Baba upore takan. There is wrinkling absent. Chokta bondo koren. Inability to close the eye on the right side. Baba mukta fulan, galta fulan. Patient cannot puff the cheek and show me your teeth. Datta dekhan. And patient cannot show. Okay. And in case of 7 cranial nerve palsy or cranial nerve examination, you must have to check whether patient is having any kind of scar mark or not. So you have to look in the back of the patient for any scar. And this is a patient who has a scar mark on the right side of behind his ear. It's a mastectomy, right-sided mastectomy.